Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify DALL image generation for marketing assets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify DALL image generation for marketing assets, begin by accessing the OpenAI platform. Log in to your OpenAI account. Navigate to the DALL interface. Input your desired prompt in the text box. Generate the image by clicking the designated button. Once the image is generated, review it for quality and relevance to your marketing goals. To verify the authenticity of the image, save it to your device. Visit the DALL gallery to cross-check the generated images. Look for any similar images that may have been created using the same prompt. If necessary, use the reverse image search tool to ensure originality. Evaluate if the generated image aligns with your brand's identity. Consult your team or stakeholders for feedback on the image. If approved, prepare the image for use in marketing materials. Ensure the image is saved in the appropriate format for your. Consider adding any necessary branding elements to the image. Finally, document the prompt used for future reference and transparency. This process will help ensure you are using DALL images effectively and responsibly in your marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.